When I first joined Team Novus, I had to get ramped up really fast. I ended up building a CLI-based game that I could play directly from the terminal to actually understand our product's installation and onboarding experience. It has 5 different missions that are based on real situations. Building it was half the learning. By the time it worked, I already knew the Novus user much better than any doc or transcript would have taught me. Turns out the game I built was really hard. On the first mission, although I thought I answered to the highest accuracy, I only scored 39 out of 100. To actually understand our customer's experience using Novus, I needed to install Novus on my game itself. So I connected my games repository, and a few minutes later, Novus had fully tagged and submitted a pull request to complete the installation step. Then, Novus fully mapped my game and created a product wiki within memory. And that is when I really understood what we were building at a deeper level. Not from a spec, but from actually watching it work. Things are moving so fast with AI these days, and I'm just really excited to see how Novus continues showing up for builders going forward.